Hello everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101. Today I am going to be sharing something that I just stumbled upon. You know, I finished doing my oak tree and I had way too much paint left over, so I decided to use it up, and now I'm going to add more to my palette because I want to share with you my fun creation. So I had 2 shades of green, one tiniest little dot of black, and then on this side I've got one tiniest dot of black and some brown. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of each of my paints on here, just right out of the bottle, and I'm gonna share with you what we're going to do. So I'm sure you saw at the beginning the image, but we're gonna do like a camouflage rock. I'm envisioning when this dries, I'm gonna write on there like "be strong" or something like that. So I'm gonna set this off to the side and I'm gonna show you. So you just put your paint straight on the palette. This is sort of like pour painting, but we're gonna call it more press painting. We're gonna do our dark colors down on the bottom first. So I'm gonna start with my brown. I am using this round palette rocks because I have somebody in mind I want to give this "be strong" to. You can use any rocks that you have. So I'm gonna just take and I'm just gonna press right into my paint, just like that. See, you'll get a little, a little bit of paint on there. And I'm just gonna turn my rock and kind of press it around like so, just till I get a good amount of paint on there. I probably should have done this on a flatter spot on my plate, but we're just gonna keep pressing around, and I might need to get a bit more paint. This rock is a little bit bigger. You could even take your finger and kind of dab, dab, dab. Just don't mix the color, okay? You don't want to actually blend the color together. You just want to dab in a few places, like so. All right, so we've got our brown covering the entire bottom part of our rock. Now we're gonna do our green. So we're gonna do the same thing right on top while it's wet. You don't have to press all the way down into it, just kind of when it touches, see, and it'll come up on your rock. So we're just gonna press, rotate, and then you know what, to get to that center point, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna dab a few times, just so I can make sure I get that paint everywhere. And now we're gonna really press it on there. Press it down like so. Press it down, whoop, press it down. And look at that. How cool is that? It's so fun. So I'm gonna do these great camo rocks. So as soon as these are dry, I'm gonna write on them "be strong," and I might line the outside with black, but either way, I'll show off the image for these when they're all done in the beginning and probably end of this video. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. You can totally do this with different colors as well. I probably will myself. So we'll see you guys all really soon. Make sure to subscribe. Bye-bye.